So welcome all of you. This is LME Public School Social Science Quiz Competition 2019. From 10 students. So no matter what the winning and losing, okay, as per your performance, the marks will be distributed among you all people. Understand? The first round of the quiz competition is the geography round. Okay, in which each group will receive 4 questions. Okay. Rules of the game. There will be 10 marks for each question. You will get 30 seconds to discuss in a group. 30 seconds यानी कि mobile stopwatch. Among you can decide. Can I have to discuss in the group? Only one student can play the role of representative for twice a time. मतलब एक स्टूडेंट 2 बार क्वेश्चन के आंसर दे सकता है, उसके बाद दूसरे को देना पड़ेगा. Understand? In this way you will get the chance. Understand? उसके बाद the first question for A group. Which of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? The options are intensive cultivation, deforestation, over irrigation, overgrazing. Your time start now. The answer said C from A group by Anuja. The answer is overgrazing. Answer is overgrazing. And soil formed by intense leaching. Soil formed by intense leaching is alluvial soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil. Time start now. Soil formed by intense leaching. The soil is getting washed and formed. The answer is C, laterite soil. Let's check the answer. Note down your latter one we can count. Okay. Third question for third group. Soil is formed by the process of options के बाद पता चलेगा. Soil is formed by the process of, that is the question only. Soil is formed by the process of denudation, gradation, weathering or erosion. C group. Time start now. Soil is formed by the process of 15 सेकंड हो गए, 20 सेकंड हो गए. C weathering. Why you are thinking like weathering is the right answer. Next question for D group. Periyar Tiger Reserve is located in. The options are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Time already started. Periyar Tiger Reserve. So answer C, Tamil Nadu. Answer C. Lock किया जाए? Lock. The answer is Kerala. Again, all done. You please note down your score. उसके बाद next question for you. A group. The Mundas and the Santals of Chotanagpur region worship which of the following trees?
This will not come now. Syllabus में that lesson.
But it is for PD na. You didn't read the chapter.
No sir, that is not copy in video. Lesson is not now.
Which of the following is incorrect? सरदार सरोवर नर्मदा, भाखरा नांगल सतलज, हीराकुड दामोदर, largest artificial lake Bhopal lake. Which is incorrect? Which is incorrect? Five second, 4 second. D is the given answer, and the question is which is one of the following? Incorrect. That is correct. Hirakud is the dam built on the river Mahanadi. और ये नाप में आने वाले हैं. उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन, नागार्जुन सागर is located in the state of नागार्जुन सागर, उड़ीसा, कर्नाटका, केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश. Your time started. 15 seconds passed. Karnataka is the given answer, and that is right, not answer. That is not a right answer.
Mars, anyone?
Mars याद रखना आपने, फिर कितने आपने जवाब दिए. Next question for you. Grouping of small land holdings into bigger one is called. Grouping of small land holdings into a bigger one is called. मतलब छोटे छोटे जो लैंड होते हैं 1 एकड़ 2 एकड़ वाले, उनका एक साथ आना मतलब क्या कहलाता है? सेलिंग ऑन लैंड होल्डिंग्स, कलेक्टिवाइजेशन, कोऑपरेटिव फार्मिंग, या फिर कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ लैंड होल्डिंग. What we can say to the grouping of small land holdings into a bigger one?
Option B.
Option B is consolidation of land holdings. This called as groupism. उसके बाद next question for D group. They are happy because you are giving right. Which one of the following statement is incorrect as regards to commercial farming? Question is incorrect. What is incorrect regards to commercial farming? Use of heavy dose of modern inputs. Crops are grown for sale. Family members are involved in the growing crops. Practiced on large land holding. Which is incorrect. 5 seconds passed.
C.
Family members are involved in growing crops. That is not the feature of. Intensive subsistence farming is practiced in area of intensive subsistence farming. High population area, low population area, desert area, या thick forest. The time started. 5 seconds already passed. 10 seconds already passed. 15 seconds already passed. 20 seconds already passed. 25 seconds already passed. Option A is the high population, intensive subsistence. Right?
Sir, she was saying anything else? Sir, she said no. Sir, at the time she said no. Sir, option only she said wrong.
Option A.
She was trying to change option.
Option A said ना.
She said option A.
Option A and option is high population. हमेशा ओके ना? सही था ना? उसके बाद for you people the Hazari Vijaypur Jagdishpur pipeline does not passes through this state. उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र. बहुत इजी है. हाजीरा विजयपुर जगदीशपुर pipeline does not passes through. 5 seconds passed. 10 seconds passed. 20 seconds passed. D. Maharashtra is the right answer. After one, for pronounced group C, which of the following state is the oldest producer of oil? Recent question. Which is the Assam. Assam is the right answer. D group. Kakrapara Nuclear Power Station is located in the state of. बहुत इजी है. न्यूक्लियर पावर स्टेशन महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, गुजरात. 5 seconds passed. 10 seconds passed. 15 seconds. 20 seconds. Karnataka is the given answer. Let's check what is the right answer. Three questions you have faced ना?
Yes sir.
इसको ही इवैल्यूएट करेंगे. अब जो बाकी जो क्वेश्चन मैं देखा रहा हूँ ज्योग्राफी के, दैट इज फॉर नॉट फॉर स्कोरिंग. ओके, आपके लिए जा रहा है, ऐसे ही जा रहा है, कोई भी दे सकता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, मतलब आप ही, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनरल इज माइंड एट बालाघाट? विदाउट ऑप्शन कॉपर इज द राइट आंसर. हम तीन मिल गए ना सबको. Copper, there is in the option. Yes, copper is in the option. Is the answer? Yes. For fun, just which one of the following public sector plant is located in Chhattisgarh? Public sector plant, industrial plant. Option without option you want to go?
No option sir.
Options you want. Bokaro steel plant, Bhilai steel plant, Durgapur steel plant. Bhilai steel plant is the right answer. छत्तीसगढ़. उसके बाद शायद एक आधा क्वेश्चन नहीं बचा. Which two of the following extreme locations are connected by the east-west corridor? Without option? With option? East-west.
Sir, Gujarat, Porbandar
Public Silchar and Porbandar is the right answer. ठीक है? The first round is finished. After this, should we start from D group? Okay, chance given to D group starting. Rules same है. There will be 10 marks for each question. Only one student can play the role of presenter. 5 marks of negative, 5 marks negative दिया है वहाँ पे. तो क्या अब अप्लाई करें हम?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay.
Negative.
But we don't have the legal scorer ना, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम होगा.
Yes sir. Apply.
Total income of the country divided by its total population is known as. Without option you want to go?
No. We don't.
Capital income, national income, per capita income, GDP.
Per capita income.
Per capita income is the income divided by the country's income by the total population. Right. Next question for you. For calculating body mass index (BMI), weight of the person is divided by the options are square of the weight, square of the height, square root of the height, square root of the weight.
Option B, square of the height.
Square of the height. I think it is correct answer. Who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India? You people. I am little confused. R. Gandhi,
This change right.
S. S. Mundra, Urjit Patel, Shaktikant Das.
Option D.
Option D is Shaktikant Das. Right answer.
But it is changed.
It is changed. When we produce goods by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of. Without option, you want to go? secondary, tertiary, primary, organized sector. Your time started now. When we produce goods by exploiting natural resources. 10 seconds pass. C, primary sector, and that is correct answer na. Natural agriculture, wiring. D group, which of the following is including in tertiary sector? Simple है question. ATM booth, call centers, internet cafe, all of them. All of them is the right answer. उसके बाद Central government in India made a law implementing Act Right to Work in how many districts of India? Right to work in how many districts of India? That generating employment purpose. 150 district, 200 district, 250 district, 625 district. It is regarded as a that Manrega, Narega. Yes. 5 seconds pass. 10 seconds pass. 15 seconds pass.
The option B 200 districts.
Option B 200 district is the wrong answer.
So, 500
You people, in which of no deduction is there? In which of the following system exchange of goods is done without use of money? Credit system, barter system, थोड़ा सोच समझ के बैंकिंग सिस्टम, कोलैटरल सिस्टम. बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. 5 सेकंड ऑलरेडी पास. 10 सेकंड पास. D is the barter answer. In which of the following system exchange of goods is done without use of money?
Now the time is and somebody
Time over. Barter system. Bank provide a higher rate of interest on which of the following accounts? Higher rate of interest कौन से अकाउंट पे दिया जाता है? सेविंग अकाउंट, करंट अकाउंट, फिक्स डिपॉजिट फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड, फिक्स डिपॉजिट फॉर शॉर्ट पीरियड. 5 minutes pass.
5 seconds.
Sorry. Take this 10 seconds. C is the given answer. Fixed deposit for a long period, and it is right answer. FD के ऊपर ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट देते हैं. Next question. You bank use the major portion of the deposits to keep as reserves so that people may withdraw, meet their routine expenses, extend loans या meet renovation of bank.
Extend loan C.
बराबर extend loans देने के लिए अब आप पहले बता सकते हो. Which of the following Indian industries has been hit hard by globalization? IT, toy making, jute या cement? 5 minutes pass. Sorry, 5 seconds pass. 10 seconds pass. बहुत सिंपल है, आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ा है. 15 seconds pass. IT industry is the given answer, and that is सही बात.
Jute.
चाइनीज टॉयज की वजह से सबसे ज्यादा टॉय मेकिंग हमारा इंडस्ट्री ये हुआ. Companies who set up production units in the special economic zones says do not have to pay taxes for an initial period of
So,
2 years, 5 years, 4 years, 10 years. Five second pass. 10 second pass. 15 seconds pass. 2 years. 2 years. The right answer is
5 years.
आपने क्या दिया था?
2 years.
2 years. नोट डाउन करके रखना. लेकर I will
इसका 5 years का है.
आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है. It refers to the globalization which creates opportunities for all and ensures that its benefits are better shared. Globalization which creates opportunities. Privatization, special economic zones, World Trade Organization, fair globalization. It refers to the globalization which creates opportunities for all and ensures that its benefits for all are better shared. D. The fair globalization is the right answer.